What's up, guys? Today we're making a green smoothie. My assistant today is Vlada from Almond Body. She's a fitness trainer. I'll put her link in the description so you can follow her. So we're gonna be doing a, like I said, a green smoothie with rainbow chard and some jackfruit, which is very sweet and it's really good in smoothies, and some bananas. So first, we're gonna start with the greens. Again, the rainbow chard is it's a good green. It's good for, has a lot of vitamins and minerals. Also, you want to make sure you get organic because the soil is better, so it'll be higher in the mineral content. And next, let's do some frozen jackfruit. Jackfruit's a really good fruit. It almost kind of tastes like juicy fruit bubble gum. Comes from Thailand. High in vitamin A and vitamin C, so it's good for your immune system. It also even has protein in it. It has about 3 grams per cup. And then next, let's do bananas. So a couple bananas. Make sure, it's always better with the bananas, make sure that they're a little ripe, like a little spotted, with the brown spots or whatever. So 2 of those. Okay, next let's do the pumpkin seeds. So I soak these pumpkin seeds overnight, so they're more of easier to digest. So you can do that if you have time. It's always better to soak the seeds or nuts first before you put them in your smoothies, and they'll actually blend a lot better that way too. And then next, let's do a little bit of the hemp seeds. Just like a tablespoon or 2, you don't need much. Hemp seeds are really good protein source, also high in omegas, like omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid. And then last, to get it moving, we're gonna throw some vanilla almond milk. Oh, actually, this is unsweetened, plain almond milk. So about a cup, just to get it going. So maybe a little bit more. That should be good right there. Cool. And let's do a dash of cinnamon too. I like to throw cinnamon in my smoothies. It's good for blood sugar, especially when you're eating a lot of fruit. Helps keep your blood sugars stable. Cool, and that's it. Put your lid on there, and then we're gonna blend it for about a minute. Okay, and then start low, and you work your way up to high. Boom, looks good. So that's about a minute. You just want to make sure it's completely blended and liquefied. That way it's easier to digest. Really green. But don't let the colors scare you away, because it's going to taste like a really good fruity shake pretty much. Cool. And that guys, like when you do these smoothies, it's pre-digesting it for you. It's completely, breaking down the food, so it's easy to assimilate and digest. It's easier for your body to absorb the vitamins and minerals. So make sure you guys are doing those at home. All right, guys, hope you liked the video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Please like and share this video. And check out Almond Body. Like I said, she's a fitness trainer, lots of good fitness tips. I'll put her link in the description for her Instagram. All right, guys, see you on the next one.